Hello, welcome to this tutorial. Today we are going to talk about subject pronouns. Let's get started. Now, a subject is the person or thing that performs the action in the sentence or clause. And a subject pronoun is a pronoun that takes the place of a noun as the subject of a sentence. For example, in the sentence, we have, she told me about her worries. Now, the word she is a pronoun, and it is the subject of the sentence. And so the word she is a subject pronoun. Note that subject pronouns replace nouns that are the subject of their clause. Have a look at the table below. When we talk about the first person, in its singular form, we use I. In plural, we. When we talk about the second person, we use you. In its plural, the same, you. When we talk about the third person, we use he, she, it. Plural, they. Also, we should replace the subject with a subject pronoun to avoid repetition. For example, Mary is a student and Mary is very hardworking. The repetition of the proper noun Mary should be avoided. We should say something like, Mary is a student and she is very hardworking. She refers to Mary. Also note that we use the subject pronoun it when we refer to objects, things, animals, or ideas. For example, love is eternal. It will last forever. The pronoun it refers to the word love. And sometimes, when we don't know the sex of a baby, we can use it. For example, their baby is so small. It only weighs 2 kilos. We also use it when we talk about time, weather, or temperature. For example, what time is it? It's 7 o'clock. It's quite cold today.